Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you this TP-Link. This is USB hub. Okay, this is 7 USB with type USB 3, okay, as you see here. Okay, here they write, we'll do it fast, okay, here they write super 7 speed USB and fast charge as they show you here. Supporting Windows, Mac, everything, and as they show here, they show that even for iOS, Android, and Windows, you know, which is mean it can work with tablet and iPhone, iPhone, tablet, Samsung, everything. Here they see external hard disk, mouse, USB drive, card reader, printer. To be honest with you guys, I tried TP-Link in a lot of things. I didn't like them. I tried them in flash memory before. Let's be honest. You know my channel, I not compliment anything. In routers, TP-Link is completely failure company. It's the most trash routers in the world is TP-Link routers. Even the gaming one from them, I tried them, it's completely trash. I mean, after I changed to Asus, was nice. I tried them in flash memory before, wasn't nice, honestly, it was bad. So I will try them in this USB hub. You know why I buy this? Because it's show that it's 7 and it showed that this, you know guys, the reason that I buy this TP-Link, I will give them one last chance, this company, if it's doing nice or no. This is support Windows 10 and go up from Windows XP. It doesn't need anything, this can work with anything. Anyway, let's see. This is this type of USB, the hub, it's work with the adapter. This is the reason why I bought it, because I needed to work with adapter. You have to know, if you connect it with USB only to your computer and counting on him, he will lag. It will do adapter through electric. He take the power from adapter, so the load not go to motherboard. You understand me? If you're gonna connect, for example, flash memory, printer, a lot of things heavy. You understand? So as you see here, all of them type 3 USB 3. Which is mean fasting charge. Here they say that you can transfer 4K video in 35 minutes. Card reader support, I don't know. I will see. Honestly, as I tell you, we have here. As they show here, they show maximum 1.5 ampere here. This one for 1.5 ampere. This 3 extra. This is normal type 3, and this 1.5 ampere. Here, here is adapter and the socket. Okay, let's see what they have here. We have here user manual, how to connect, how to do. Here is the most important part, the adapter. You got me? This is the important. This is why I need it. This is why I brought it. Honestly, I want USB hub, this multi like this. Without adapter, don't waste your time. He will lag. He will disconnect. He will not handle, especially if you not have a gaming laptop or okay. And we have the USB here, and I have scissor. I hate myself. Okay, let's connect it and connect the adapter to the power there. Okay, as you see, he turn on. I turn him off. Here there's power. Turn on, turn off. Let's connect this. I have flash memory. Let's put him in the maximum one here. Yeah, it's lightening by itself. Okay, but need now to connect him to. By the way, where's my computer? Really? Okay, figure a way now to do something. Okay, let's put him here in USB and let's see what he will do. I plug him in now as USB. It's working well. I don't know, guys, as I tell you, the point from this hub, this USB port, that is working by electric, and this is the most important thing for you. For example, if I bring my iPad Pro, okay, let's test him with iPad Pro. Let me bring my multi. This is my multi USB also, but this is not hub. This is just for connecting charge, LAN, USB 3. Let's connect it to the laptop, iPad, sorry. Okay, okay, and let's connect this to the USB here. Okay, is it going to read the flash memory? I don't know. It will read flash memory or not. Just I would like to try. I guess no, because you know, guys, there is a flash memory. This is not work with the iPad. There is a kind of flash memory I found. It costs $25 in AliExpress. It's for iPad. It's lightning USB. You can connect them, take information, then open, have lightning. You can connect them to your iPad. But anyway, it's working nice and everything. We will see about this later. I will test him and I will write for you down in comment below what's my opinion about this. But as I bought him for my Elgato, I bought him for joystick, for charge, for printer, for I will try him with my, I have wireless speaker, Asus ROG. I want to try, it's gonna, when I install the application here, it's gonna work or no. I will try, we'll do this in another video, we'll see how it's going to be. So please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like the video, and we'll see you again in another videos. And if you have anything you want to ask me, write a comment below. I'm not upstar guy, I answer everyone, the polite of them, and we'll see you again in another video. Bye, peace.